Hello guys, kumusta kayong lahat, no? Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. By the way, my name is Nalmer and I'm property custodian of this Founders and nandito nga tayo ngayon sa The Beacon Condo. So basically, nandito tayo sa penthouse unit na hawak namin. I'm inside of this 3-bedroom penthouse unit and basically we're just gonna be making a short tour in this unit because this unit is now available for sale. So you might have seen some posts about this unit and gusto ko lang maggawa ng video para mas realistic yung makikita nyo dito sa unit na to. Okay? Like I said guys, this is for sale. And before I start the tour, no, gusto ko lang na this unit is not, it's not that perfect, right? There's still a lot of room for improvement this unit, no? Hindi na namin bina-renovate ito kasi uh, pa-renovate namin and hindi naman gusto ng buyers yung ginawang renovation, no? Gagastos rin sila for ipa-renovate ulit. So, we leave it as is for now. So, let them decide kung ano bang design ang gusto nilang gawin dito sa unit na to. But for now, this is also, in my opinion, is good enough, no? Para matirhan. It's not livable actually. Very livable anytime you can use this, no? Para matirhan na kagad. But yeah, there's still a lot of rooms for improvement. Pwede ka bang magawa ng mga ano mong gustong gawin dito sa unit na to because this unit is pretty spacious, guys. All right. So yeah, this is 3-bedroom unit and furnished na siya, and we are gonna leave it as is for now. So all the furnitures here, all the things na makikita nyo dito sa unit na to is included na sa sale. So yeah, that's basically it, no? So before mag-start tayo ng video, I would like to invite everyone to subscribe to my channel. Click on yung notification bell para what do you call this, ma-notify kayo sa mga bagong video yung i-upload natin dito. Alright, and also don't forget to like and share this video. And if you have any suggestions, comments down below, I would really appreciate it kasi I'm just new into this content creation and I would really appreciate it if meron kayong honest opinion about my content, no? Huwag lang yung mga harsh comments. But yeah, I would really appreciate it if meron kayong honest opinion para ma-improve ko pa itong ating content creation. Okay? So yeah, without further ado, I would like to introduce you to this unit, penthouse unit. Let's go. Okay guys, so since nandito na rin tayo, unahin ko na itong ating living area, no? So ito yung living area natin, meron tayo ditong sofa. Okay, makikita nyo. Bali, 1, 2, 3, 4-seater plus itong parang sofa bed dito sa tulo. So, medyo malaki-laki ditong sofa na to. Alright? And in this area, before, may TV ito dito but medyo kalumaan na yung TV. We decided to sell it na lang. So yeah, may TV siya. Meron itong TV stall dito. Okay? And we have here the center table. So makikita nyo, yung salamin natin dito, na floor to ceiling siya. Di ba? So yeah, yung glass window, lahat ng mga naturalized dito, especially kapag umaga, talagang mga naturalized papasok dito sa unit. Ito yung mismo sa isa sa pinaka nagustuhan ko dito sa unit na to kasi napakaganda ng view from here. Okay, tanaw na tanaw mo talaga yung yung Makati City, yung Metro Manila in a whole dito sa living area mo. Okay? Okay, so ito nga yung first bedroom natin. No, nandito lang sa first floor. Okay, ito yung first bedroom natin. Meron itong bed na queen size bed. Of course, wala pa siyang magamit ito kasi it used to be an office, an studio, no? But kinonvert natin ito sa bedroom. So, ito yung first bedroom natin dito sa first floor. Alright? Alright, so nandito yung ating dining area. Okay, so as you can see, meron tayong dito ang glass na table. And of course, nandito na rin yung ating kitchen. Okay, may ref tayo dito. Ito yung ating sink, no? Counter. Okay, kompleto na dito guys. And meron tayo dito storage na pwede mong pag-istakan ng mga gamit mo, no? Or pwede mong i-convert ito as kitchen din para mas lumaki, mas lumuwag yung kitchen mo. So it's up to you. Like I said, there's a lot of room for improvement dito sa unit na to guys. So marami ka pang pwedeng magawa dito. Okay? So yeah, let's go upstairs. Okay guys, so dito sa loft area, nandito yung dalawang kwarto natin. Yung master, and of course, yung second bedroom. And meron tayo itong common toilet and bath, which is I'm gonna show you later. So unahin natin tong master's bedroom. Let's go. Alright guys, so ito yung ating master's bedroom. Meron tayo ditong queen size bed as well. And meron na ditong cabinets. Okay? So ito lang yung mga kasama dito. Alright, like I said, parang ano lang siya, space lang talaga siya. No? Pwede ka pang magawa dito ng kung anumang decoration ka gusto mong gawin kasi napakaluwag pa nitong space nito. Alright? So yan yung ating first bedroom. So, punta tayo sa second bedroom. Alright guys, so this is the second bedroom. Meron na rin ditong queen size bed as well. Okay, may sofa dito. And of course, may cabinets dito rin, built-in na rin. Yan siya. Mga built-in cabinets. So like I said, marami pa rin dito pwedeng improve, no? Nasa sa inyo kung anong taste niyo. Basta marami pang pwedeng i-improve dito. Alright? And this is the common toilet and bath dito sa loft area. Okay? Shared lang ng CR yung second and master's bedroom. And meron tayo ditong parang lanay. So ito yung view natin from the roof. Makikita natin dyan yung ating sala, no? And of course, yung view natin dyan. Sobrang ganda. Diba? Alright guys, so yun yung itsura ng ating unit. So kung makikita nyo, marami pa talagang pwedeng i-improve dito sa unit na to. So which is good kasi meron kayong mga choice pa. Baka sa inyo, mga designer, di ba? So I'm sure marami pa kayong nakikita ang pwedeng i-improve dito sa unit na to. Alright? So, i-recap ko lang dito sa may ground area. Ang unit na to, nandito yung sala natin, yung kitchen, and of course, yung first bedroom. We also have our common toilet dito sa baba, katabi ng stairs. Nandun yung CR natin. And sa loft area, nandun yung masters and the second bedroom. And of course, meron din tayo yung common toilet and bath. Shared yung dalawang room. So yeah, that's all for the video guys. Like I said, this is for sale. Dito sa The Beacon Condo, penthouse unit, 3 bedroom. Located siya sa 42nd floor ng Roses Tower. Alright? So if you're interested, you can message me directly, no? Or you can call me para mas mabilis yung usapan, di ba? And yeah, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Once again, my name is Nalmer, and I'm property custodian of Vision of Matters. God bless, guys. Thank you.